big brother world, Muhammad world, and today we are at the Thandiani top. And look at the over the ice. Look,
Now we are over the ice and welcome to your my world Muhammad world, and today we are at the ice and
ice no Thandiani top.
and the snow is on the Thandiani's top, and look guys how thick and
Oh
sturdy.
guys,
Look at that,
look.
guys, and you can see how thick and mature the ice is over here, and it is very dangerous over here, but we came from for you guys.
And guys, now my turn. It is very cold place. This is very, there is very so
Chilly.
dangerous. So we can slip and fall down, guys. And we came here for one vlog, guys.
And guys,
And
you can see, if you want to come on Thandiani's top in January or December, you can bring something like this because it's very dangerous for you to use your legs.
you can move like this.
We can help you support your leg.
Like this. And what is waiting for? Let's start it.
Guys, and you should bring things like these. I will show you. If you have a little bag like this, you can bring things that can help you survive over here. Like if you need to eat food, you can bring these toothpicks because they would if the food is harmful and you didn't do take out the meat of them very quickly, it can harm your teeth. And you have to bring a sanitizer because we can't believe the snow is very dangerous or very calm. And we should bring three kinds of like markers, so if we need a pencil, we don't have to go to there and go come here again. Look, we should need permanent, and if you want you can bring a pencil as well, and you can bring these kind of pointers like, and you can bring a stand like, guys, and you will not use this because I brought it from for making video. It is not good. And guys, the final thing, and the light switch, the bulb has kind of these. You have to bring these. These are very helpful because when look how much dangerous the topping is over there. And if you have to go down, you have to use this. It will scratch the surface of ice, and then it will help you support to go down. It will support you to go down, and you should need that as well, like that. If you have an old bag, take off the hair, like a wheel bag. You can take off the holder of it, and it will help you get very. It will help you a lot. And guys, it will. And guys, look at the greenery over here and see how much beautiful the trees are and how big they are. And guys, and you need to double check your bag if you have not forgotten anything in your bag. This can support you. Guys, I'm coming in the kitchen. I'm putting my stuff in the bag.
To the channel. If
I want more views than our camping pods video. On this
Guys, and if you look, guys, whole view at the, but guys, and I am nervous, and there is no melting in this weather.
And guys, you need you guys don't have to throw these things. And one thing that snow can mess up with your body is your foot.
Guys,
And lungs. It will just the cold air is very thick. That's why it will go in your body when you breathe it. The lung will, like, if you put so much heat in a gas cylinder, it will blow up. It's like happening to our lungs. And the thickness of the air is very dangerous for your lungs. So you can camp here from 5 to 10 minutes over the top, or you have to go down immediately.
guys, we survived 11 hours in this ice.
He's just joking. Guys, and after this video, our other fun content is coming as well. So stay tuned for our second one. And guys, we are signing out here. And bye, guys.
And don't forget me. Have you subscribed? Then subscribe more, guys. And we will give you more videos of this ice. Bye.
And tell me that is how does it look?
Daddy, you will fall.
Tell me that how